I asked you guys, what do you want to see more of? And y'all said tutorials, to my surprise. I'm surprised because I feel like my tutorials haven't been getting that many views, but if you say so, if you want more tutorials, I feel like we have to go back to basics. Today, I'm going to teach you guys the basic crumb coat. And I know a lot of you probably already know how to do this, but really important is the foundation of making cakes because it's what seals everything together, seals the crumbs in, and makes it look perfect. So I'm using my leveling tool with me today. I like to use this tool because it ensures that sound. It ensures that all the layers are going to be level and the same. It's a really handy tool. I prefer it over a serrated knife, but do whatever you please. Now that we have the even layers, we can start assembling. If you can have these semi-frozen, I find that is the best when you're crumb coating. Okay, let's start with a dollop. There's a debate about this in the cake world, but I'm pro simple syrup. I don't know about anyone else, but I like it because it keeps the cake moist, and I make my cakes not too sweet to begin with so that if I add simple syrup, it's not gonna oversweeten the cake. And I learned this when I worked in a bakery. You could put it in a spray bottle. So yes, we just stack, center it as best you can, and spray again. Keep the cake moist. Spray the next layer, and let's keep the frosting coming. Oop. I try not to put too much in between the layers. There's also a huge debate like how much frosting is too much. Some people, they don't like a lot. Some people's like, if I'm eating cake, I want frosting. So I just go for some middle ground. Always make sure it is aligned. We've made it to the top layer. Now I'm just gonna put the rest of my buttercream so I can start spreading it all around the cake to seal in all the crumbs. Honestly, at this point, there's not really technique. I like to go up and down, side to side. Just get it all in there. Now I'm gonna smooth it out. I like to use plastic scraper or whatever this material is. I don't know, it's a very hard plastic. But honestly, people have sworn by metal. Use whatever you're comfortable with. Wherever I see gaps, I'm just filling it in. Now it's already looking like the right shape. It's gonna solidify nicely so that you can frost it easily. Now the last thing we do is we clean the board, and then I like to refrigerate this for at least half an hour before I frost it. If you can do more, like honestly, that's better. The frosting will apply much nicer the colder and more solidified this cake is. Thanks for watching, guys. In the next video, I will show you how to frost it.